Okay, I know I just said we're moving on to the next section, but I'm not running out of script. I'm basically doing this whole thing based on my memory and the gear in front of me. If I don't look at the gear, I tend to forget to talk about it. So, just to speed up this a little bit, this is what's called a bivy bag. Mainly used for people who use tarps instead of tents. What this is if I just have a tarp, chances are that the rain running off the tarp, and if I picked not a prime location, I might be in a small slope, the rain may run off and come in contact with the bag. And for winter camping, you want something to protect you from the snow if it gets in. So what this is it protects you. It has a waterproof layer, usually on the bottom, and a water resistant and breathable material on top. You're going to need something that's breathable, because I've worn a bivy bag that was not breathable, and it traps in the moisture. It acts as a vapor barrier, traps in the moisture, and it soaks you from your own sweat. Not fun. You're waking up and you're soaked, and it's not going to be fun at all. So basically, to set one up, you take your sleeping pad, throw it in there. Take your sleeping bag, throw that in there. And you climb in. Seal it all up. And there you go. This has the same properties of a mummy sleeping bag, where it has the hood to protect the hood. So that's the basics of a bivy bag. You're going to see when you look up bivy bag, a lot of the military Gore-Tex stuff out there. That stuff is really, really heavy. It goes for about $150 for the bivy bag. It's not really conducive for backpacking. This Mountain Hardwear makes a bivy bag. Other manufacturers make a bivy bag that compress into something like this, and it does the same thing. So I'd rather go with more of the compressibility and the weight savings than to go with any military modular system. That's just me personally. If it's in your budget to get something that's more military-like because it costs less, be prepared to have more weight and less packability.